Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown to lift a person with a disability from the mid position of a full-size van, such as this GMC Savannah van or Chevy Express van, into the wheelchair. It's a detail video, so it's designed only to be used in conjunction with other videos that you'll see in the notes field down below. So first thing we do is we connect the sling. Leg tabs first, arm tabs second. Raise. Once the feet have cleared, we move to position over the wheelchair. Move around to the back so we can get nice control over the descent. Lower right straight down into the wheelchair with a nice erect and vertical posture. A little bit of upward pressure on this back handle here is really helpful. Once the tension is off the straps, we release and we are ready to hit the road. You can actually take the lift if there are tie downs provided with the system, which is an option. Then you would simply swing the lift in, tie it down for safety during motion. But on the other hand, a lot of folks will just simply remove the lift itself, tie it down safely in the rear, remove the adapters, again stow them safely in the rear, and all you've got left is this quick mount system here, which is actually mounted under the seat. No bolting, no modification to the electrical system. Again, this is a detailed video, so make sure you view the other videos down below in the notes field. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you've liked what you see. Contact us at www.accessunlimited.com or go to our website or give us a call rather at 607-669-4822. Have a great day, and thanks again.